My name is Ramesh HG, working as Assistant Professor of Mathematics, Government First Aid College, Tiptur, Tumkur District. Today I am going to explain proportional calculus. What is the meaning of proportional calculus? What are proportions? What are truth values? So, in our study of logic, we shall deal only with declarative sentences. For each declarative sentence can be said to be either true or false. So a preposition is a declarative sentence which is either true or false. For example, 10 is an even number which is true statement. 9 is odd number which is true statement. 9 is prime number which is false statement. 10 plus 20 is equal to 30 which is true statement. 5 is greater than 1 which is true statement. 10 is less than 9 which is false statement. So these are all called declarative sentences or prepositions because we can say either it is true or false but not both. A simple proposition is a declarative sentence containing only one idea which is either true or false in a given context. So that is very important. Preposition is a declarative sentence which has an idea which is either true or false in a given statement. A preposition is a statement which in a given context can be said to be either true or false. For example, there are some examples. 10 is an even number, 2 is an even number, 12 is an even number, 6 is an even number. These are all true statements. 11 is an odd number, 9 is an odd number, 3 is an odd number. These are all true statements. 2 is a prime number. This is a true statement. 3 is a prime number. This is a true statement. 5 is a prime number. This is a true statement. 4 is a composite number. That is a true statement. 10 is a prime number. That is a false statement. 3 plus 10 is equal to 12 is a false statement. So these are either true or false, and these are called as prepositions. These are called as prepositions. Truth value. Truth value is the truth or falsity of a proposition. So truth value of a sentence proposition is truth or falsity of a proposition. If the proposition is true, then its truth value is taken as t. For example, 10 is an even number. Its truth value is true. Therefore, we write it as truth value as t. If 11 is prime number, its truth value is false. Then we denote it by f. If the proposition is false, then its truth value is taken as capital F. For example, 9 is a prime number. Its truth value is, so it is a false statement and its truth value is F. 10 is even number, its truth value is T. 17 is less than 12, truth value is F. 2 plus 10 is 12, its truth value is T. So if a statement is true, then its truth value is denoted by T. If the statement is false, then its truth value is denoted by F. So any statement, you take any statement. Bangalore is the capital city of Karnataka. It's a true statement and its truth value is T, like that. So proposition is a statement, declared statement, which is either true or false. The truth value of the statement 10 is a prime number is false. The statement is false, so the answer is second one is the answer. The truth value of the statement 10 is greater than 20 is false, F. The truth value of the statement 100 is less than 120 is a false statement. 100 is not less than 120, false statement. So it is a commutative statement and its truth value is 2. So 2 divides 11, it's a false statement and its truth value is F. So the truth value of the statement 11 is prime number is, it is T, or true it is T. So composite number, it is true. So we may discuss some proportions in detail. So thank you.